Hello, I'm Min from Favolite, and behind me is our production night of Favolite. Today, I will introduce you to how to use the menu to control the lighting without using the controller. And please come here. First, we enter the menu and choose the next one. Yes, here, yes, and enter. And this is a setting knob. Setting node, we enter it and enter the code 1234. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. And then here, and it's okay now. Yes. And then we choose the program. Program is 2 items, and we choose the adding program. This one is our point, and it will show the many functions. Then we choose the function, for example, the pen, and enter. Yes, and you can see the lighting is moving. Yes. So it's very easy to control the lighting without the controller. And if you want to know more, please contact me. Thank you.